Hello everyone, my name is Dea. I'm from Polytechnical Tex Riau. Today I will explain to you about my Copec.
Hello everyone, I'm Amanda Novina. I'm from Polytechnical Tech Riau.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Fitri from Polytechnical Tex Riau.
Hello everyone, I am Mujibur Rahman from Polytechnical Tex Riau.
Imagine tearing open the package of the food and instead of the guessing, instead of sniffing, instead of hoping, you simply to look. A patch of the packaging tells you instantly whether what's inside of the safe of to eat. Now imagine the same packaging, one it does to job and doesn't it's all to landfill for the next 500 years, it simply returns to the soil in 45 days. And a future, that's Mycopec. Mycelium-based smart packaging with an embedded freshness by sensor. And today, we want to show you exactly how it works, why it matters, and why it's ready for the world.
Start with a number that should concern all of us, 40%. That's how much of our plastic waste generated worldwide comes from packaging alone. Not from cars, not from electronics, but from wrappers, containers, and boxes that we use once for a few days at most and then discard forever. Plastic doesn't disappear. It fragments, it lingers, it ends up in our soil, our rivers, our oceans, and eventually back on our plates as microplastic. And a second crisis unfolds. 1.3 billion tons of food wasted every single year. Not because all of it is actually spoiled, but because a printed expiry date told us to throw it away, just in case. Freshness isn't fixed. Depends on temperature, humidity, handling, things that printed tweaks in advance can never capture. Two enormous crises, plastic that never leaves and food that leaves too soon. Both rooted in the same failure, packaging that doesn't communicate.
Instead of extracting petroleum, we grow our material. We cultivate fungal mycelium, the root network of fungi directly on agricultural waste, giving a second life to what would otherwise be discarded biomass. As the mycelium grows, its natural fibers bind everything together into a dense, resilient structure. We mold it into the exact shape we need. Let it dry naturally, and what emerges is a fully biodegradable material. No synthetic chemicals, no petroleum, and near zero carbon emission during production. And when its a job is done, Mycopec fully decomposes with just 45 days. No centuries in a landfill, no microplastic left behind, and just packaging that completes its life cycle the way natural indeed.
But growing sustainable packaging solves only half the problem. The other half is trust knowing, not guessing, whether your food is still good. That's where our biosensor comes in. Embedded directly into the Mycopec material is chemically reactive patch, tuned to detect the specific compounds released as different foods begin to break down. Biogenic amines from meat, ethanol from ripening, or fermenting fruit, lactic acid from dye. As freshness declines, the patch responds visibly shifting from green to yellow to red. It's a real-time readout of actual condition, not a prediction made weeks in advance. Green means enjoy with confidence, yellow means use it soon, red means it's time to let it go. And for consumers who want deeper insight, an optical NFC tag connects that same data to smartphone, turning every package into a small, intelligent checkpoint between farm and table.
First is Zero Hunger by helping households that retailers stop discarding food that's still perfectly good. The second is responsible customization and the production by replacing petroleum-based plastic with the biodegradable, chemical-free, and alternative. And the third is the climate action by the cutting emissions at the very source of how packaging is made. This isn't just the environmental idea, it's the commercially viable one, a solution that food producer, retailers, and everybody households can genuinely use, without asking customers to change their habits, only to trust what they can how to clearly see. Two of the world's largest waste cries, one material grown to the nature, working to solve them both. This is Mycopec, grow from the west, built to scenes, and designed to disappear.